Hey, Tyler here, and as you know, we always go straight to the topic so you don't waste your time and learn as fast as possible. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use in and on when you're talking about transportation. Believe it or not, it's actually very simple, and I'm sure that after this trick I'm going to show you will never ever make this mistake again. Because all you have to do is ask yourself this one simple question. Yes, one question. That's it. Ready? So the question is, when I'm inside the, and then you add whatever type of transportation you want, car, bus, subway, whatever, can I stand up and walk around? If the answer is yes, then you know you have to use on. But on the other hand, if the answer is no, then you have to use in. And notice that I used the word inside in my question. This is important because if there's no doors and you can't even get inside, for example, motorcycle, bicycle, even skateboard, then you just use on. Pretty simple, isn't it? Told you, simple, fast, and impossible to get it wrong. Well, that's it for today. Hopefully this was helpful, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you, and I'll see you next video.
Oh, I'm slipping away.